National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Orange County and East Central Florida, Northeastern Osceola County and East Central Florida, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harmony, or near Holnapah, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of South Central Orange and Northeastern Osceola counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.